I'd like to go on to noise. Is there anything you want to chip in on that, Dave?
With noise, I think we've covered those, and I think the images on the screen earlier on, that white dot is obviously getting less and less and less as we go through. But we can actually, the stuff that we do, you can actually do a whole session on each one if you wanted to, without using lots and lots of paper, slides and things. I mean, you have to have the slides with this sort of meaning to get the point across. But when it comes to noise, and Mark will talk about this a bit more in a minute, but simple things, we've got a reading at home. I know you're all they're tired now, you don't want to put your hands up because you've got like pain in the ear and stuff like that. Does anyone use ear defenders when you put the bins on? No? Does anyone know what the action levels are with regard to noise in the UK? 80 and 85, yeah. So at 80 decibels, the environment where the noise level is 80 decibels, it's recommended that you have some hearing protection available. If it's 85, hearing protection available with mandatory. When you go tonight, I'm looking really good. On the back of your reading book, it'll either say 89 or 96 decibels on the back of your reading book. And we don't really defend this. Admittedly, that's not the level of noise it gives out because that's in a test bed, so in a lab somewhere where we test them and you can standards and things like that. But it just shows that noise and the effects of noise can be seen and be heard and it's everywhere. Mark is going around just giving out some earplugs. Don't do anything until your head comes in.
Pardon?
Oh, yeah. Then I'm going to wait. But noise, when you get home, so just have a look, say 89 or 96, depending on which sort of European standard you've been into. If you've got hearing aids for this next section, you don't need to do this. But if you haven't, just take 2 earplugs and over to Mark.
They look quite colourful, they look quite tempting almost to eat. They're not jars of sweets I've got out, by the way.
I think we'll be back to that for the last one.
Yeah. So, moving on to noise, which is real passion for me. I expect you notice I talk quite loud. It's because I'm deaf. I've got 2 hearing aids. And I've got about 5% hearing in this ear and about 30% in this ear. And I struggle. Noise-induced hearing loss. But it doesn't just, noise-induced hearing loss at work doesn't just affect you at work, it affects and turns over your whole life. Absolutely, it will affect you for the rest of your life because when you lose your hearing, it's gone. You do not get it back. So before I start this session, what I'd like you to do is put one arm behind your head, open the ear canal and put an earplug in for me. If you have got hearing aids, don't worry. Just put one earplug. Have you all done that? Okay, so the reason I've got you to do that is, firstly, the most important thing is what me and Dave are telling you tonight. I don't want it going in one ear and out the other. No. So you've got that. Okay, but for the second thing, do it with the other ear and put the other plug in. Okay, have you done that? Have you done that now? Everything's quieter, it feels a little bit more, and I mean, not to try and explain the level of hearing loss, but everything becomes quieter and you feel a little bit more closed in and you'll tend to focus and read a little bit more. Here, the sound in here is quite disturbing for me because everything's echoing and my hearing aids are picking it up. I'm suffering from tinnitus since I walked in this room because of the high ceiling and the concrete floor, there's no soft cushions. And it's like a permanent inner tube going down in my ear. That's what it sounds like. And the sound will start there, the tinnitus starts here, and it moves around into the centre of your head. And it's very challenging, and it can become very stressful. Okay, take them out. Don't put them back in the pot. That's what the last group done. But to try and demonstrate hearing loss is very difficult, and we're all in different situations, and as we get older we have natural hearing loss. But some of the things that I explain when I do a session on hearing. And with the logger project, your props and things and your aids and your devices build up over a period of time. And I see something and I think, oh, logger concept, I can use that, I can use that. So thinking about hearing, when I first, back in 2008, I worked for a company and they sat me in the corner facing the wall. And my desk was there, I was on holiday, I come back, my desk, I said, why have you done that? And because you're so bloody loud. You're on the phone and you're shouting away. Have you ever had a hearing test? And I went, no. And I said, I don't do that. Anyway, I went for a hearing test and I had one hearing aid. And the first hearing aid I had was a great big one. Great big one, a big earpiece. And that was the first one that I had. And then I went for another hearing test a year later, as you do, and then they gave me a different one, and they said, well, you haven't got to have that colour anymore, would you like a slate grey to match your iPhone in your hair? And I said, oh yeah, that'd be lovely. And I just had this great big bit in my ear, and it sweats and it itches and it becomes uncomfortable. And wherever I go, I say that I suffer from hearing loss, and so if I stare at you and I'm lip reading, it's challenging. So that was the second one. And then I went again. And then I got a little bit of a better one. A little bit smaller. And I got away with that great big bit. I had a little dome that went on there. And then I went for another hearing test. And they went, you've got hearing loss in your left ear as well. So now I've got two, but they're tiny with a little dome on there. And for me now, when I took that out, it felt like the bucket had gone over my head, everything closed in. The sound, it opens the sound up so I can hear. And people with hearing loss will understand that. And it's very challenging because at night, you know, when you go to bed, it becomes stressful because you take your hearing aid out and you suffer with tinnitus. So what I do, the thing that I do firstly, is I put that on next to my bed to compensate the tinnitus. But then I wake up with a cold shoulder and a cold face. And by the way, I've already moved into separate rooms now because my partner wouldn't put up with this. Because it becomes too much, it becomes stressful. So for the rest of the family as well. So I have a fan. And then I wake up. And then, this isn't the actual one I use, but I didn't want to bring a 40-inch TV in. So then I put the TV in. I haven't got a 40-inch TV in the bedroom. So I think it's a 28. But I didn't bring it to the last one. I didn't know I did. I took the telly out the bedroom. But I use the TV. But then I have it so loud because the hearing aids are out, it wakes everyone else up. So then I managed to get this device. And it's never ending. Plugs into the TV. And then I put them in the ears. And I'm sitting in bed like that, thinking I've got to try and go to sleep, and they're uncomfortable. But I can turn it up and down as much as I want. And no one can hear it. So there's that. And then I tried something else. I wanted to get away with that. And I've got this device here from where I go to tinnitus counselling. And it produces noises of streams, birds, but with a stream, you know, you keep getting up wanting to go to the toilet. All these things actually happen, and it's distressing. So how can you get a good night's sleep? So it gives a heartbeat noise. You're laying in bed, you know, and that becomes stressful. So then, all these apps and devices on your phone, you can get tinnitus aids, and you plug this into your phone, and they're pillow speakers. And you put them in your pillow, but then you roll over and they're digging in your ear. There isn't any way around it. And what is noise? What is noise? What could be noisy to one and undesirable and loud, the sound, to one person may be not the same for another person. So a noisy situation. Now, you might like that.
It's very good.
But if I stayed here, he would start to get on his nerves. It would become distracting, undesirable, and that sound and that's just an example but about noise. But it gives you an idea of then different things that are actually affecting you. I don't know what I brought them all tonight, I brought them all. So with the local projects, when we think about hierarchy of controls, elimination, substitute, engineering, administrative and PPE is the last one. So engineering, and moving down that hierarchy. And this is a good way of showing it. Can you hear it? On a hard surface, it increases the volume. So if we think about engineering, and we pad and we put something there, but on the side, the difference in sound and all that is a little music box. I've got one that says sings happy birthday as well. But that gives you a good example, a little staring pad. And you're chatting, I could be talking about, I could be giving a briefing, controlling noise at work. Or I could be running through this, and again, it's a little idea that is put together by the local project for you to be able to experience that.
One of our students, when we were doing the noise session in the northwest, and obviously as you can tell from my accent from Liverpool, you know, we champions this year, and not, it'll be next year. And we were talking, and I said, what's the difference between noise and sound? And the official definition is noise is something that, sound is something like you hear, and noise is unwanted sound. And one of our students said, that's like going to Old Trafford and listening to Man United sing songs. To me, that's noise. You'll never walk alone, it's sound and it's great, and it's wonderful. When I go and listen to Man United, glory, Man United, and all that sort of stuff, that's noise. Yeah. So again, just that simple explanation.